Hello everyone, welcome back. Oops. I am using CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enhancer Primer. It just worked all the way. That is what you call reality. Take my earrings off so it does not get any makeup on it. I am doing a base. I'm trying not to mess up my brows. They're looking so good already. When you get them right, you get them right, baby. Primer. Danessa Myricks. Balm. I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Multitasking Press Powder, and it is the shade Toffee. Real Techniques brush. It's just a big buffing brush. I'm going to use that to set my yummy skin. Damp sponge to do my concealer. Mented. It's called Buried Away Blush. Now my complete base is on. I'm going to take a damp sponge and go over it. Want to melt everything together. This is what my base for my face is looking like before I do my eyeshadow. If I want it to go out just like this, I am ready to step right out. This is a lip liner with a little bit of gloss on my lips. I did not do anything to the eyes. But if I wanted to step out, I would be just right. An eyeliner and I'm ready to go, or just like this. So this is my base. I am so blessed to have these cheekbones. Thank you, God, for giving me some nice cheekbones so that when menopause came through and sank my jawline, my cheekbones tend to like take place and it doesn't show that much. But I do have sinkage right here. But because my jawlines was given to me and I was blessed with them, it don't show it as much. But I have lost elasticity right here. I'm showing you so you know, even though this is happening to you, you can still wear your makeup and enjoy your life. Life is short. Always seek help if you are sick with any ailment, including mental illness. Reach out to someone and seek some help. My I am blessed to be a vessel to encourage others. I am blessed to be a vessel to encourage others. What is your I am today? Put that in the comments so I can write it down and I will use it in a video. Thank you for watching and I appreciate you dearly. My base